Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cursed Worm in Anime Vanguard. This unit is a fantastic tool for controlling the game by removing your opponent's key pieces. When Cursed Worm is placed on a rearguard circle, its skill lets you choose one of your opponent's rearguards and retire it. This works whether you call it from your hand or use another card's effect to bring it out. To maximize Cursed Worm's impact, focus on strategies that let you call it multiple times. Cards that superior call from the deck or drop zone are excellent partners. Target your opponent's critical units, like their strong boosters or key attackers, to weaken their board presence. Remember its base power of 9,000 when deciding if it can hit your opponent's vanguard or other rearguards. For more advanced plays, consider the timing of your Cursed Worm calls. Sometimes, holding it until your opponent has committed a key unit can be more impactful. Using its skill to clear a front row can create openings for your other units to attack the vanguard directly. Also, look for cards that boost Cursed Worm's power or critical, turning it into a formidable attacker itself. When building a deck around Cursed Worm, aim for consistency. You'll want at least 8 cards that can superior call it, ensuring you always have access to its powerful retire skill. Don't forget to include a good balance of defensive options and other strong offensive units to support your strategy. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Anime Vanguard battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.